Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color Sunset Orange. Alright, let's take our scissors, let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product. You'll get a set of screws, which will be able to fit into any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Like that. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingertips and just push forward with your palm. Comes off nice and easy, just like that. Okay. Also, these plates are interchangeable, so if you get tired of the color or you just simply want something new, not a problem. You can get one of the plates online and they'll just go on over top of your pre-existing frame. Okay, just make sure that you're buying the correct corresponding frame. So for an SS2, look for the SS2 plate. Okay. Flipping it on over, you'll notice at the top here that it has the British standards, BS for short, so you have peace of mind purchasing this here. Okay. Also, it has 3 terminal hole screws on the back. This is a two-gang light switch, so you can control your light switch from 2 separate locations. If you need an intermediate, you can pop this one out, put the intermediate in, and then you can control your light from 3 separate locations. So these modules are interchangeable, and the 9 and the 2 go over the same plate. Okay. Let's put our plate back on, just like that. Okay, and then let's take a look at our instructional leaflet I was talking about earlier. Okay, on the one side you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms, which if you head on over to any one of these, give us a like or a follow, that would be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger chat. And finally, there's a Scan Me QR code in the bottom right hand corner here. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install the light switches and sockets. Okay. And finally, let's just take a quick look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, at the back and at the bottom here is our SKU code, the ART, SS2 for the two-way, and OR for our color orange. In the center here is our barcode, and the top left-hand corner is another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website, and you can see our full range of products there. Finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice a recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, we try to upload one every day. So please make sure you're subscribed and that bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below, see what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.